Ever found yourself squinting through foggy, oxidized car headlights, wishing for a quick, easy, and affordable solution? Well, the answer might be right there in your bathroom cabinet. Yes, toothpaste. The humble tube of toothpaste, specifically the non-gel, non-whitening variety, can work wonders in restoring clarity to your headlights. So, gather your supplies: toothpaste, a soft cloth or sponge, water, masking tape or painter's tape, and a clean microfiber cloth. The first step is to prepare your vehicle. Park it in a shaded area or out of direct sunlight. Mask off the areas around the headlights to protect your car's paintwork from accidental scratches or damage. Now wet the headlights. A spray bottle or sponge does the trick, loosening any dirt or debris on the surface. Next, it's time to bring out the toothpaste. Squeeze a small, pea-sized amount onto your cloth or sponge. If needed, you can always add more. Then, begin the scrubbing process. Use circular motions and focus on areas with heavy oxidation or discoloration. Remember, gentle pressure is key to avoid scratching the headlight lens. Every so often, rinse the headlights with water. This not only checks your progress, but also removes loosened dirt and toothpaste residue. Continue this cycle of scrubbing and rinsing until you're pleased with the results. Once satisfied, dry the headlights with a clean microfiber cloth. Inspect them carefully to ensure all oxidation and grime have been removed. If necessary, don't hesitate to repeat the process. After the final inspection, remove the masking tape. For those looking to prevent future oxidation or yellowing, consider applying a protective coating. Just make sure to follow the product instructions. A word of caution though, toothpaste works best for mild oxidation and surface grime. For severely weathered or damaged headlights, professional restoration or specialized kits might be a more effective solution. So the next time you're faced with oxidized headlights, remember, the solution could be as simple as reaching for that tube of toothpaste.